Who proposed that each element has a particular atomic mass? Dalton, Lavoisier, Carnot, Democritus. Dalton. ଶୁଭୁଛି ତ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା?
Yes.
Dalton proposed that each element has a particular atomic mass. Which scientist provided the basic theory about nature of matter? Same option. Lavoisier, Joseph Proust, John Dalton, Democritus.
Lavoisier.
John Dalton. John Dalton provided the basic theory about nature of matter. Who among the following told about indivisibility of an atom? Dalton, Bohr,
John Dalton.
Goldstein, Rutherford.
John Dalton.
Dalton, बिल्कुल John Dalton. Which element has the maximum number of atoms in their molecular form? Phosphorus, sulfur, neon, argon. Which element has maximum number of atoms in their molecular form? Sulfur, बिल्कुल S8 भी ही पर है. In ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen are present in which ratio by mass? By
1:3.
1:3.
mass कौची 14:3.
14:3.
N हला नाइट्रोजन रो 14, हाइड्रोजन रो 1 बेले तीनटा अछि 3. 14:3. Atoms chemically combine to become what? Molecules, element, alloy, molecules.
Element.
Molecules. Atoms chemically combine to become molecules. Atom हला परमाणु, molecules हला अणु. How many molecules of water are present in one molecule of copper sulfate? CuSO4-H2O. 3, 4, 5, 6.
5:2.
बिल्कुल 5 molecules of water are present in one molecule of copper sulfate. In CaO, quick lime, ratio of Ca and OR by mass dash. Which ratio? Mass Ca ଆଉ O ର ରେସିଓଟା କେତେ ହବ? 5:2, 2:5, 3:8, 8:3. CaO ରେ ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା ଶୁଭୁନି ନା କ'ଣ? Ca ହେଲା 40 atomic mass. Oxygen ହେଲା 16. ତ କେତେ ହେଲା 40:16 ଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ କେତେ ହବ 5:2. Hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by which proportion to the mass?
1:18. 8.
1:8 बिल्कुल. କୋଉ डिपार्टमेंट मिलिला?
ଆରେ ଭଲଟା ନୁହଁ ଅର୍ବାନ ଆଫେୟାର ଯୋଉ
ଭଲ ନୁହଁ କିଏ କହିଲା?
ଅର୍ବାନ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ
କିଏ କହିଲା ଭଲ ନୁହଁ?
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଖାରବେଳ ଭବନରେ ମିଳିଲା ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁକା।
ତ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା? ସବୁ ଭଲ ହେଲା, ଯୋଉମାନେ ଟପ୍ ରାଙ୍କରେ ଥିବେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ଭଲ ମିଳିବନି।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ଭଲ ମିଳିଛି, ମାନେ ଆମର ତ ଯିଏ 7
ଭଲ କ'ଣ
rank
ମିଳିଛି?
7
ତମେ ତ ସତେ ଯେମିତି କାମ କରିସାରିଲଣି ଆଉ ଭଲ ମିଳିଛି ଖରାପ ମିଳିଛି କହିଦଉଛ ଆଗରୁ ଆଉ।
ନା
କାମ
ନା
କଲେ ସବୁ
କରିନୁ
କହିପାରିବେ। କାମ କଲା ପରେ
ଆମେ
ସବୁ କହିବେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସରୁ ଯେ କେମିତି କ'ଣ। ଯାହାର ୱାର୍କଲୋଡ୍ କମ୍ ଥିବ, ଷ୍ଟେବିଲିଟି ଭଲ ଥିବ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ, ନହେଲେ କ'ଣ?
ଆମେ ତ ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ ଯୋଉଠି ମାନେ ଆମେ ଜଏନିଂ କରିବାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗଲୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ 6:30 ବେଳେ ସେ ଆମକୁ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତି କି ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ବହୁତ ସାରା କାମ ଅଛି, ଯଦି ରାତି ଅଧିଆ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଜଏନିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ 10ଟା ରାତିରେ ଯିବ ବସପଟ ଏଇଠି।
ଏଇଟା କହିବାରେ ଆଉ କରିବାରେ ବହୁତ ଫରକ। କହିବା ପାଇଁ ତ ଡରେଇବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ କିଛି କହିବେ। ତ କର ଆଗ ଦେଖାଯାଉ ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହଉଛି ଆଉ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
How many atoms are in a molecule of ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride ରେ କେତେଟା ଆଟମ୍ ଅଛି ଟୋଟାଲ? ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଯିଏ ଜାଣିଥିବ ସେ କହିବ। आरआरबी सब रेलवे
NH4Cl
जहाँ भी प्रीवियस सब से गुड़ाक कौन
NH4Cl
हाँ तो कौन केतटा आटम
6टा।
6टा बिल्कुल नाइट्रोजन गोटे हाइड्रोजन 4टा क्लोरीन गोटे टोटाल है 6 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स हैज द मोस्ट एटम्स कहबो कहार को कंपाउंड रो सबटु मैक्सिमम एटम अछि HNO2 CO2 CaOH होल 2 H2SO4
H2SO4
बिल्कुल H2SO4 रे 7 अछि H दीटा S गोटे O 4टा टोटाल होला 7 CaOH होल 2 रे 5टा अछि Ca गोटे OH होल 2 माने O भी दीटा H भी दीटा टोटाल होला 5 व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कैल्शियम
40
40 आउ केही किछि कहिबोनी ना कोन
भाई केमिस्ट्री टिके हुएनी
हुएनी हबो ना धीरे धीरे सब हुए पढ़िले बेसिक रू पढ़िले सब हो एगुडा तो बेसिक गुडाक एमती नुह जे मु बहुत
सर केमिति पढ़िला रे
एटम कंपाउंड केतरा एटम एटॉमिक मास एगुडा तो नॉर्मल जिंस नेक्स्ट द परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट इन H2O मॉलिक्यूल इज डैश परसेंट हाइड्रोजन रे केते परसेंट अछि हाइड्रोजन मास वाइज
11 ना ना 12 22.22
11.11 ठीक थिला टोटल 1 अछि हाइड्रोजन 8 अछि ऑक्सीजन टोटल हला 9
1/9
1 by
1/9
9
नु 2.9
1 by 9 हिगला 11.11%. Which is the smallest particle of matter that has free existence? Atom, electron, neutron, molecules.
मॉलिक्यूल मॉलिक्यूल
Molecules बिल्कुल free existence जेहेतु कहला जेतबे हला molecules. What is the mass of 5 molecules of water?
90
90 बिल्कुल गोटे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रे टोटल केते थाए मोलिकुलर मास बाहर
18
करिवो तो 18 हाइड्रोजन दीटा थाए 1 into 2 ऑक्सीजन गोटे गोटे ऑक्सीजन रहला 16 16 2 हेगला 18 पांचटा कहिछि 18 पंचे 90 हु इज क्रेडिटेड फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द वर्ड मोलिक्यूल जॉन डाल्टन जोसेफ प्राउस्ट ओस्टवाल्ड महर्षि कनड
जोसेफ वाल्चो
जोसेफ प्राउस्ट नुह वो कौन कहती ओस्टवाल्ड Ostwald is credited for the introduction of word molecule. What is the smallest possible unit of a compound called?
मॉलिक्यूल
Molecule. बिल्कुल compound कहले molecule. The number of atoms that constitute a molecule is known as its dash. Atomic mass, atomicity, valency, atomic order.
एटॉमिसिटी
बिल्कुल. The number of atoms used in a molecule or that constitute a molecule is known as its atomicity. Atomic mass relative to all the elements have been found in relation to an atom of which element? Oxygen 16, carbon 16, carbon 12, nitrogen 14.
कार्बन 12 कार्बन 12
Carbon 12 बिल्कुल एटॉमिक मास टा कार्बन 12 रिलेशन रे बाहर हाउ मेनी एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ CaOH होल 2
अच्छा
एटा तो कहवा कथा ना एटा भी आसेनी CaOH होल 2 गणी परनो
पांचटा
पांचटा Ca गोटे अछि OH होल 2 माने O दीटा H दीटा टोटल 5 to find the atomic weight of an element with which of the following is the atomic weight of that element compared atomic weight बाहर करिया पे ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन कार्बन नाइट्रोजन
कार्बन कार्बन
हाइड्रोजन atomic weight बाहर करिया पे we compare with the atomic weight of hydrogen 144 ग्राम मैग्नेशियम रे केते ग्राम एटम थाए 144 ଗ୍ରାମ ମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନେସିୟମରେ।
ମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନେସିୟମ ର ତ 12 12 12ଟା
12 नहीं 24 ना।
100 ଗ୍ରାମ ହବ କି?
6 बिल्कुल।
6ଟା
24 ହେଲା ତାର एटॉमिक मास। तो 24 रे डिवाइड कले 144 बाय 24 ହେଲା 6 ग्राम। नेक्स्ट 1 meter is equal to dash 10 to the power 3 meter, sorry 3 10 to the power 3 micron, 10 to the power minus 3 micron, 10 to the power 6 micron, 10 to the power minus 6 micron।
-6 माइक्रोन।
बिल्कुल।
नहीं
10 to the power minus 6 micron ହେଲା 1 meter। Loudness of sound is measured in which unit? Frequency, hertz, decibel, resonance।
डेसिबल
देखिए
डेसिबल।
डेसिबल डेसिबल
बिल्कुल डेसिबल। 746 वाट को कौन कहती? 1 पास्कल, 1 हॉर्स पावर, 1 किलोवाट,
किलोवाट हॉर्स
1 जूल।
पावर 1 हॉर्स पावर
1
हॉर्स
हॉर्स
पावर
पावर बिल्कुल 1 हॉर्स पावर। 1 एटीएम जोटा को कहती 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू डैश पास्कल। 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 pascal, 1.01 into 10 to the power 6 pascal, 10.1 into 10 to the power 5 pascal, 10.1 into 10 to the power 6 pascal। 1
1
एटीएम
10 to the power 5 पास्कल।
बिल्कुल 1.01 10.1 नुह 1.01
1.1 में आ गया।
into 10 to the power 5 pascal। जदि सेमती न देला तो नॉर्मली हमें कहि पारो 10 to the power 5 pascal। 1 kilowatt is equal to dash watt।
3600 ନା 36,000।
किलोवाट बा गोटे किलो हजारे आ तो वाट को चढ़ुଛି खाली 1 किलोवाट हजारे वाट। Atomic radius is measured in which unit? Millimeter, kilogram, centimeter, nanometer।
नैनोमीटर
नैनोमीटर
बिल्कुल नानोमीटर। Atomic radius is measured in nanometer। The strength of winds is measured with the help of which instrument? Strength of winds, tintometer, barometer, Beaufort scale, wind indicator।
12 मीटर
Beaufort scale, Beaufort scale रे strength of winds measure करा जाए। 1 picometer is equal to dash meter, 10 to the power 11 meter, 10 to the power minus 11 meter, 10 to the power 12 meter, 10 to the power minus 12 meter।
-12
Minus 12,
-12
1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter। Which instrument helps in the detection of heartbeat? Stethoscope, thermometer, spirometer, sphygmomanometer।
पाइरोमीटर स्टेथोस्कोप
पायरोमीटर
Stethoscope,
सिग्मोमानोमीटर
stethoscope,
स्टेथोस्कोप
stethoscope, only heartbeat पचरली। What is the instrument used by physicians to measure blood pressure? Stethoscope,
पाइरोमीटर
spirometer, sphygmomanometer, echocardiogram।
स्पिग्मोमानोमीटर स्पिग्मोमानोमीटर
पिग्मोमानोमीटर
बिल्कुल sphygmomanometer एटा हला sphygmomanometer blood pressure। Which instrument is used to detect the presence of electric charge on an object? Electric charge on an object. Multimeter, electroscope, ohm meter, ampere meter।
ओम
ओम
मीटर
मीटर ओम मीटर
कहीं भी ठीक कहले इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप। Electroscope is used to detect the presence of electric charge on an object। What does hygrometer measures? What does hygrometer measure? Heat, force,
फॉर्म
ह्यूमिडिटी
radiation, humidity। बिल्कुल humidity।
ह्यूमिडिटी
A lie detector apparatus is also known as what? A lie detector apparatus को कौन कहती? Seismograph, polarimeter, polygraph, barograph।
पॉलीग्राफ पॉलीग्राफ
Polygraph बिल्कुल। Which instrument is used to show the direction of flow of current in a circuit? Galvanometer, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter।
galvanometer,
Galvanometer,
गाल्वेनोमीटर
galvanometer, direction of flow of current हला galvanometer। Which device is used to measure relatively high temperature such as in furnaces? Bolometer, pyrometer, fluxmeter, ammeter।
पाइरोमीटर
पायरोमीटर
Pyrometer.
Pyrometer.
pyrometer,
बिल्कुल pyrometer. Which device is used in submarines to see things above the level of sea?
Periscope.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Bathymeter.
Periscope. Periscope. Periscope is used in submarines to see things above the level of sea. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Lactometer, barometer.
barometer,
Barometer.
बिल्कुल
barometer,
barometer. लैक्टोमीटर कौन?
milk
Milk
ର ଯୋଉ ଇଏଟା ମାପିବା ପାଇଁ use
डेंसिटी
କର
ऑफ
milk
मिल्क.
density, density
बिल्कुल. Which device is
density
used to see the sun? रख रख से. Device is used to see the sun? Stroboscope, telescope, sun meter, helioscope.
helioscope.
helioscope,
बिल्कुल helioscope is used to see the
Telescope.
sun. Helioscope. From which device is the electric current measured? Wave meter, ammeter, ohm meter, voltmeter.
emitter,
Emitter.
emitter,
Ammeter.
Emitter.
बिल्कुल ammeter. What does stalagmometer measure? What does stalagmometer? Refractive index, surface tension, dynamic viscosity, lighted activity.
lighted
Dynamic
activity,
viscosity.
Surface tension. Stalagmometer measures surface tension. Odometer is an instrument used in motor vehicle for measuring what?
Distance.
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 speed,
बहुत बढ़िया.
distance,
Speed.
Distance. Speed नुह distance.
distance, speedometer होचे speed,
बिल्कुल. Which of the following speed of flow measuring instrument is area meter? Which of the following is a speed of flow measuring instrument? Venturi meter, rotameter, pitot tube, none of these.
picture tube,
Rotameter. Rotameter is a device that measures the volumetric flow rate of liquids in a closed pipe. Tachometer is used for what? Torque, rotational kinetic energy, RPM, distance.
or
Torque.
RPM measure करे rotations per minute. Engine shaft रे. Next, instrument used for measuring density of liquid. Hygrometer, hydrometer, hypsometer, fathometer.
Pixometer.
Hydrometer, density of liquid, hydrometer. Which instrument is used for discovering the things in water? Laser, sonar, radar, scuba.
Sonar.
Sonar.
Sonar, बिल्कुल. Next, which instrument is used for measuring density of milk?
Lactometer.
lactometer,
Lactometer, बिल्कुल. Voltmeter is used for measuring what? Voltage, magnetic flux, air resistance, electrical.
Voltage.
voltage,
Voltage.
Voltage, बिल्कुल.
Voltage. Voltage.
Which of the following is used for measuring speed of motor? Speedometer, voltmeter, lactometer, veldometer.
speedometer, speedometer,
Speedometer.
Speedometer, बिल्कुल. Which instrument is used for measuring the speed of wind? Lactometer, speedometer, anemometer, thermometer.
anemometer,
Anemometer.
Anemometer.
Anemometer, बिल्कुल. Which of the following can be measured temperature without touching the object? With which device? Which can measure? We can measure the temperature without touching the object. Electric thermometer, field system thermometer, mercury glass thermometer, infrared thermometer.
mercury glass,
Infrared.
Infrared thermometer. बिल्कुल.
Infrared thermometer.
Which is a scalar quantity? Pressure, force, displacement, momentum.
pressure,
Pressure.
Pressure.
बिल्कुल.
Displacement.
Pressure,
No, no, no.
displacement रो yes, distance to
Vector.
scalar.
Vector. Displacement of vector.
Which is not a vector quantity. Displacement, force of gravity, electric current, speed.
electric current,
Speed. 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 Speed.
ଦିଟା
Speed.
ଯାକ
Speed.
ଦିଟା ଯାକ
electric current speed ଦିଟାକ ହବ,
ଦିଟା ଯାକ ହବ. Which is an vector quantity? Which is a vector quantity? Weight, velocity, temperature, length.
Velocity. Velocity.
velocity,
Velocity.
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 Which of the following has both direction and magnitude? Mass, momentum, distance, speed.
momentum,
Momentum.
Momentum.
बिल्कुल. Indirectly से पचारला vector कोटा. in the given physical quantities which is not a relative quantity. Relative quantity कोटा नुह time, acceleration, velocity, distance.
Time.
Time,
Time.
time,
Time
time,
बिल्कुल
time.
time. Which is a vector quantity? Volume, mass, force, length.
Force,
Force बिल्कुल. Which is a scalar quantity? Momentum, mass, force, velocity.
mass,
Mass.
mass,
Mass.
mass.
Mass बिल्कुल. Which is not a vector quantity? Power, torque, displacement, acceleration.
Power.
Dis-
Power.
Power.
मतलब
Power,
Power.
vector.
power,
Power.
power,
Power
power.
बिल्कुल power. Which of the following only gives magnitude and not direction? Momentum, displacement, work,
Scalar
force.
quantity. Work.
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 Work. Scalar quantity. Which of the following has magnitude and no direction? Work, displacement, impulse, force.
Work.
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 ଏବେ ହିଁ ତ କହିଲ।
Wait, was color quantity.
ହଁ। Efficiency of work is known as what? Speed, force, energy, velocity.
Power.
Energy
Energy.
बिल्कुल।
Energy.
Ability to do work एका कथा। Work is present if there is dash. Force, friction, energy, power. Force. Work ହେଲା force into displacement. If displacement is horizontal to the applied force, then work done is what? Zero, positive, negative, neutral. Horizontal. Displacement horizontally ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ? Force ଯୋଉ ଦିଗରେ ଅଛି. Work done is positive. Work is known as dash. Force into displacement, mass into acceleration, mass into volume, length into width.
Force into displacement.
Force into displacement. ଏବେ ହିଁ ତ କହିଥିଲି. If force is equal to 0, then work done is equal to dash. 20, 1, 0, 100. बिल्कुल.
Zero.
0. Force 0 तो work ହେଲା force into displacement. 0 ହେଇଗଲା.
Zero. Okay.
When a man pushes a wall but fails to displace it, it means what? Positive work, negative work, no work, most positive
No
work.
work.
No
बिल्कुल.
work.
No work. बिल्कुल. The product of force and displacement is called what?
Work.
Work.
Work. Work.
बिल्कुल work. A moving car faces the wind in the opposite direction. What will be the work done by the wind on the car? Positive, negative, infinite, zero.
Negative.
Negative, बिल्कुल negative. सियाड़े जाओ सियाड़े if an object is not moving after applying a force, then we can say that dash maximum power has used, work has done, no work has been done, minimum power has
No
been
work
used,
has no work
Has been done.
no work has been done. बिल्कुल. If displacement of an object is zero, then work done by the applied force is what? Zero. बिल्कुल. Work done is zero with zero dash velocity, power, displacement, momentum. Displacement बिल्कुल. ଗୋଟେ ବୟ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଟେ ଇଏ ସେ ଶଶିକାନ୍ତ ଅଛି କି ଶଶିକାନ୍ତ ନାହିଁ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଅର୍ପଣ ତ ନା କ'ଣ ଅଞ୍ଜନ ସରି
Anjan.
ମତେ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ଏଠି କାହା ନା ତ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ଫେସରୁ କହିଦେଲି ହଉ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଅଞ୍ଜନ 4 କେଜି ର ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ବ୍ୟାଗ ଧରିଛି 30 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ କେତେ ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ ହେଉଛି ବାଇ ହିମ୍ ଇନ୍ ଜୁଲ୍ 4 120 39
120.
0 ଟାଇମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କ'ଣ ମତଲବ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ କରିଦଉଛ ସବୁ ଚାରି କେଜି ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ ଇଜ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ ଟୁ ଫୋର୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ। ଏଠି ତ ନାହିଁ, ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, 30 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ଧରିଛି, ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ଜିରୋ ଧରିଛି, ସେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି ନା, ତ ଜିରୋ ଡିସପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ଜିରୋ ମାନେ ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ ଇଜ ଜିରୋ। If an object is rotated in a circular path, what will be the work done on it in one rotation? Zero,
zero
positive, negative cannot be determined.
zero zero
Zero, बिल्कुल जीरो। रोटेट करी पड़े
displacement zero into
आसी सेठी डिस्प्लेसमेंट जीरो हो गला, डिस्टेंस हेतले पूरा ही थांदा। रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क को कौन कहते आउ थरे?
Work.
per power
रेट
power
पावर। एफिशिएंसी हला एनर्जी हला, रेट ऑफ एफिशिएंसी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क हला एनर्जी, रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क हला पावर। Which of the following is not a unit of power? Kilowatt hour, watt, horsepower, joule per second.
what
Kilowatt hour energy रो unit, kilowatt hour हला energy रो unit, power रो unit नुहे। Which of the following quantity measures the rate of work? Force, energy, power, velocity.
फोर्स।
energy
एबे ही कहितली पावर, रेट ऑफ वर्क मेजर करे पावर। नेक्स्ट, which of the following molecule is present in a cell abundantly? सबटू बेसी कोटा थाए? कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, वाटर, algae.
water
बिल्कुल
Water.
वाटर। Which of the following does not follow cell theory? Bacteria, algae, fungi, virus.
virus
बिल्कुल virus। Which is the largest cell in the body of an animal? Lymph cell, neuron, osteocyte,
neuron
chromatophore.
न्यूरॉन।
neuron
बिल्कुल न्यूरॉन, नर्व सेल जोटा कहती न्यूरॉन।
नर्व।
Which of the following regulates functional activities of the cell? Nucleolus, nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm.
nucleus
Nucleus, बिल्कुल। Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke, Swan,
robot
रोबोट हुक।
Robert.
रोबोट हुक।
रॉबर्ट हुक, बिल्कुल। कॉलरलेस, कॉलरलेस
मारो मारो दे।
कौन कहला? कलरलेस प्लास्टिड को कौन कहती? ल्यूकोप्लास्ट, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट,
क्लोरोप्लास्ट।
Leucoplast.
ल्यूकोप्लास्ट, बिल्कुल ल्यूकोप्लास्ट कहती। Which of the following organelle are present only in plants? Vacuoles, plastid, lysosome, mitochondria.
plastid
Plastid, बिल्कुल। Which of the following stores starch, proteins, and oil granules in a plant cell? Protoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast. ଖାଦ୍ୟ,
chloroplast
ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ସବୁ ରଖେ। Same leucoplast stores starch, proteins, and oil granules in a plant cell. Why do plant cells have cell walls? कहीं कि plant मन cell मनकर cell wall थाए? Because they do not have cell membrane, because they are living beings, because they protect the plant cells from various environmental factors, because they are required for
data
Atta.
third टा बिल्कुल, because they protect the plant cells from various environmental factors. Plant cell walls are composed of what? Cytosols, cellulose,
Cellulose.
glucose, cytoplasm.
Cellulose.
सेल्यूलोज।
Cellulose, बिल्कुल। Chlorophyll contains which element? Aluminium, magnesium, iron, calcium.
Magnesium.
मैग्नीशियम।
Magnesium, बिल्कुल। Which of the following is called yellow pigment in plant?
keratin
Carotene, creatinine, xanthophyle, achromatic reaper.
keratin
Keratin.
Xanthophyle. Xanthophyle is called yellow pigment in plant.
Keratin ର ଅଲଗା ଅଛି।
Which of the following cell organelle utilizes light energy during photosynthesis?
Chlorophyll.
Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, Golgi body.